Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simply Amazing. If you're new to my channel, just take a minute, go down below, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. As you guys can see, my base is already done. Y'all know I always do my eyeshadow before I do my base, but today we're doing it in reverse. So one of my subscribers reached out to me and she said she wanted to see something more on the natural side. She wanted to see how I blend and how I place my shadows. So that is the focus for today's video. So I just wanted to knock the base out of the park because I do have a very detailed foundation routine. I will link it in my description box and I will also link it up here. Yeah, so let's get into the video. I'll be using, I'm not gonna tell you see that brand here, but I love the brand, so bear with me. I'll be using the Beauty Creation Ruby palette, and this palette is more on the simpler side. So it has been a lot of transition. It have been a whole heap of something. I'm not saying you have to go out and buy this palette, but I'm showing you colors. I know you must have in a palette somewhere put down. Yeah. So you know when you, matter of fact, let me zoom you all in, because we're gonna focus on the eyes first. I'm zooming you all in. So no matter what kind of look you're doing, you always want to go in with a transition color. Let me retract. When I'm doing colorful looks, the techniques I'm going to show you now, when I'm doing colorful looks, I don't follow that technique, because as a makeup artist or as someone who loves makeup and works with makeup, you do what works for you. But in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest and simplest tips and the easier way to make your eyeshadows pop and to make your eyeshadow blended. Understand? So the first things first, we're going to base our eyelids, and I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. You're supposed to know, right? This is. So I'm going to take that and base my eyelids. I already have some form of foundation on my lids, but I didn't set it or anything. Okay guys, now that the concealer is blended, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to right here. And again, these palettes, the shadows doesn't have name, only the palettes. So this is the Beauty Creation Ruby palette. Yes, how you hold your brush. Let me see if we can turn sideways. You always want to hold your brush closer to the end. I guide it. And I'm going in circular motion, guys. Gently. If you need more, you dip back into the pan. You go gently. So I'm using circular and windshield wiper motion. Now your transition shade is the shade that is going to make all your colors blend together. Yeah, so like in everything you do, you know you have a transition. So that's the purpose of the transition shade. So it depending on the look that you're going for, then you know what color to take for your transition shade. And you always want, if you're a person that like your colors all the way up to your brow, then you can blend the transition shade all the way up there. But you always want to make sure, or you always want to ensure that your transition shade is well blended. Anything that you put down, you always want to make sure that it's well blended. Shade. I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to place that directly in my crease with the same brush. And you just place it into the crease. Now again guys, I want to be gentle, because when you put a lot of force on the brush, the colors aren't going to blend smoothly together. So you want to just let it be free, and you always blend going upwards. So I do a lot of variations. 1 minute I'm going in circular, and another minute I'm doing windshield wiper motions. So that is what I'm doing here, and you always want to focus most of the intensity at the outer portion of your eyes. As you can leave it as is and start going in with your lid color, but me personally, I kind of like my crease a tad bit darker, so I'm going to take this cool tone brown. I'm going to take this cool tone brown and I'm going to pack it more into the crease. And I'm using the same brush. So you just want to focus that at the end, as I mentioned before, you want to focus all of that intensity at the end of your eyes, and then you gently drag it in. You don't want to go in with the front of your eyes with all that darkness, and you want to make sure while adding that color you're diffusing it into the first two colors we put down. So you're going to have a gradient of color, or you should have a gradient of colors. So I'm just focusing that at the end portion of my eye, because that's where I want the intensity. And then I'm going to gradually feather it into the front. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying and I don't sound confusing to you guys. So you see that, guys, it's not that hard. All you have to do, remember, you're building up. So first you're going into transition, then you're going with something that's darker than a transition. Then if you want to make the crease darker, you're going to something darker than the second color you put down. Color, you always want to take a flat, you can take a flat fluffy brush, or you can take just a regular flat brush. Now I'm not going to add any more concealers, none whatsoever. I'm going to take an little Tibet. I'm not really a fan of shimmer shadows, but for the sake of this video, which is more easier, I'm going to take this one. I'm going to swipe because it's shimmer. I'm going to swipe it. Feel like I could have went with a lighter color. You see, guys, I just made a mistake right there. I went up too high with that shimmer. That's not cute. And I don't really like shimmer, so I need to fix it. It's like I'm mimicking a cut crease in some sense. So this one look better, you see? Yeah. Like I'm mimicking a cut crease, but I'm not really cutting the crease. So for all my girls out there who can't bother to sit down and take hours cutting the crease, this is a little hack for you guys. So you're just going with a light fluffy brush and you just mimic a cut crease. And you don't want to leave here like this. I'm gonna make it, but I'm gonna fix this side first. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see down in the comment section below. And yeah, guys, if you learned something from this video, hit that thumbs up button Don't play with me. Hit that thumbs up button, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. And with that out of the way, I'll see you guys in my next video. So stay tuned.